In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Compass on Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Compass app can be downloaded onto your Apple Watch Ultra 2. You will be able to use it by tapping on it in your app list. The Compass app is going to show the direction that your Apple Watch is facing, as well as your current location and elevation. You can create compass waypoints and then find the distance and direction between them. You can be alerted when you have exceeded a particular elevation, see an estimate of the point where your Apple Watch was last able to establish a cellular connection, or make an SOS call, and use Backtrack to retrace your steps. So it is going to have four primary views. When you first open it, you will see your bearing at the center of the watch face, with waypoints appearing in the inner ring. So you will be able to notice them by using this inner ring here. You can turn the digital crown up to see the relative locations of waypoints on a grid. This includes automatically generated waypoints for where you park your car, the last location where your Apple Watch or iPhone could make a cellular call, and where emergency SOS was last available. Each screen that shows the compass dial has an elevation button, so you will be able to use these buttons all around it. And at the bottom of the display, you will see a 3D-like view of your waypoint elevations relative to your current one, so you will be able to compare them as needed. You can turn the digital crown down 2 screens to see a large compass arrow with your heading below. So you will be able to use this simple arrow to know where you are heading to in relation to the waypoints that you have set up. You can see details about these waypoints by using the app, including the elevation, latitude, longitude, and of course, the relative position. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Compass on Apple Watch Ultra 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.